Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Discord show listening to Spotify. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your Discord, and once you have successfully logged into your account, go over here, click on your user settings, connections, and over here this is what we need. If you haven't connected your Spotify, view more, then choose Spotify. You just need to log in and connect your Discord. It will just take a few seconds. Then you can go back in here. You will have the option to display Spotify as your status. So you can click on this to enable this option. Then from now on, any music you're currently listening to Spotify will show up as your status on Discord. And you can go back. Discord will automatically save the changes for you. And that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.